I need you to hit yourself with this. Hello!
I just need to move this one a minute. I want to redo that, but what I've learned is that, are we back? Alright, in case you did miss the last episode, what happened was I did 2 paintings out of the exact same bottle that were absolutely epic and beautiful. Look at that, out of the squeezy bottle. Oh my god. This one is like my new favorite painting of all time here. That's beautiful. Okay? But then I got to talking and forgot what I was doing, and I squeezed out the bottom part of the paint that had just set together and made mud. So I made a poopy painting. So the whole purpose, there we go, seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, I'm with it. I got this, I'm ready. Woo! Okay, so the whole point of this one here is that I have to fix this because I don't make mud. And this is just poop, okay?
So while she's working on that,
I took the liberty of
making t-shirts.
I did! Oh my god, I did make t-shirts. If you guys haven't gotten your official Rio SAce t-shirts, get over to the website right here below. It's in the link, it's in the little eye thingy, whatever. It's finally all linked. We're super excited. And go over and get your t-shirts because they're limited edition. We're only making so many of this first round, and they are awesome. So, and you want to get your t-shirts while you can, because we're going to sign them. They're going to
and with every t-shirt you buy, your paintings become more and more awesome.
That's true. Yes, with every t-shirt you buy, your painting skills become more and more awesome. It's a fact.
And if you buy 7, I'll give you a hug.
Oh, SAce. That's very generoso. Okay, so I love this, but I have to move it. Oh, that's hot.
Hey Rio.
What's SAce?
Blowtorch hot.
Fire's hot.
Fire hot, Rio. Fire bad.
So let's move this out of the way.
Did you try torching it?
No.
Did you try torching it again?
No, it's just mud.
Oh wow, look at that. Oh yeah, look at all that cell action.
Say stop! You're gonna burn the canvas.
Wow, I am so talented. Look what I made, guys. And, oh, you.
That's really pretty right there.
I made that, and then you ruined it and threw it all on the floor. Rio hates me.
In the previous episode, previously on Rio SAce.
Dumb and Dumber.
Previously on Dumb and Dumber. Oh, I'm ruining my white jacket by getting paint on it.
Wow, that didn't take long. And you filming that on a regular basis too.
I'll have to get another one. Amazon, white cardigan, no big deal.
Buy t-shirts so Rio can buy clothes to ruin. Right, Rio.
Oh my gosh. No, seriously, I'm really super excited about the t-shirts. You know, sometimes it just takes a minute before something actually clicks and works in our world. And this is one of those times that it finally just has come together, and they're so much fun. I just love them. Now, I was stressing out about having, like, trying to put my fish paintings and all that other stuff on them, and then I decided, you know what, just some of the things we say on this episode, these shows, are enough. And so that took the t-shirts back to a lot of fun and not so much work for me, and so we are super excited to have an opportunity to launch them. And just so you guys know, we're the best fans in the whole freaking world.
I beg to differ. I keep getting messages asking for another paint slap.
Oh, well, I think that's because you have it coming.
Can we do a face reveal at 50,000 subscribers?
A face reveal?
Yeah.
A face reveal?
Yeah.
I don't know what we're going to do at 50,000 subscribers.
Take turns punching ourselves in the face.
I'm still beyond shocked that we have 35,000 subscribers. Alright, so there's my white. Not exactly how I want it, but look at this cup of glory right here, people. Look at that. There's your thumbnail.
Wow. Okay, now set it on fire. You haven't done that. Yeah, you haven't done that.
Let's set this thing on fire.
I like fire.
I like fire.
Fire, 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 fire.
Hopefully that's a good idea, SAce, because like all the colors of the rainbow are in there, and you know, if it sits too long, it makes mud. Let's see if we can get it to go this way.
I need you to like actually set it on fire, because the thumbnail, you know, gotta get my thumbnail, bro. Perfect. Let it go. You can blow that out at any time.
I'm like, it's getting warmer. Fire!
Why is my hand so hot? That is cool.
That is beautiful.
And that's
as I light you up.
Yeah, thanks for that. I don't have hair on my hand now. Thanks.
I still don't like it. Move. I'm on a roll here.
I'm in a roll here. Looks like you threw up over there on that side of your table. You're just like, this is ugly. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah, put some more yellow in there. Tuffy, you look like there's a storm coming.
Does he?
You guys enjoy this painting while I hold my dog and try to calm him down. Hi. Oh, you're so soft.
What's the matter, Tuff? Tuffy does not like bad weather. This painting is still a hot freaking mess, but it's getting better.
You're not making it any better. It's just getting worse. Hate it. It's killing me, Rio.
Sace, it's because you're made cheap.
It's killing me. I'm just slowly dying inside. I can't drive anywhere without thinking about filming.
Well, that's because you love what you do. That's
Shut
not...
up. You don't even know. It's torture.
I know that I'm like way overworking this, but I feel like I'm kind of going somewhere with this, people, so bear with me.
Don't bear with us. Skip to the ending.
Roll credits.
Thanks for watching. Go buy merch. Check out our other channel, Rio SAce. Want to go diving? It's all about scuba diving.
Because we do want to go diving. That's why we have both channels, really, because we just want to go diving.
Yeah, we're both tired of painting. We just want to go dive.
Well, that's not true. I'm really not tired of painting. I just really want to go diving. Like, all the time want to go diving. I kind of can't help that. Somebody make me stop.
Stop. No. Don't do it. Tuffy, go fight her. Tuffy, I'm gonna whittle this piece of wood into a sharp point.
You know what? Here's the thing. I really like that.
Does it look cool? I can't see it. I'm trying to comfort my dog. See this kind of little girl. Good. How's it looking?
Well, I really like
I
it.
can't see it from down
It's
here.
really cool.
Can you describe it to
It's
me?
really busy. It looks like confetti streamers everywhere.
Can you describe it to me in 12 words or less?
It's cooler than Sace. The end.
That was mean. Okay, how about 12 words?
Okay, you guys leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. Because this one I think is really, really seriously cool. I'm really not kidding about that. I usually don't. I usually get really nervous about paintings like this.
Every
and how
time you
busy
skip
they
through
are.
a video to see the end result, and just imagine me kicking your cat.
Oh yeah, that's the other thing. When you guys hit me up with all kinds of questions, I'm like way cool with the questions, but it makes me understand why our analytics say that you people are only watching 6 minutes of a 15-minute video. Yeah, we know. You're not watching the whole things.
Watch the whole thing, it would answer your questions. All the questions that you have can be answered with a 10-minute video for real.
Seriously, all the great questions in life can be answered with a 10-minute video from Rio.
Be like, what happened to Gandhi?
I don't know. I had to watch the movie.
He was shot out of a cannon into the sun.
Wow, that's pretty
That's
ambitious.
what happens when you reach enlightenment.
You're shot out of a cannon into the sun.
Yes.
Okay. Well, if you say so. Okay, here's the thing. This has got a lot of paint on it.
That's what I'm hoping for, anyway.
That's what you're hoping for?
Yeah.
When you reach enlightenment, you're hoping to be shot out
wow,
of a
that
cannon
looks really cool.
into a sun? I have to agree with you. I think it's kind of cool. It's really a busy piece, but I like the layers of it. Wow. Okay, so there it is. I've redeemed myself. Now, it's not my typical, but I'm trying to break out of my typical. I'm seriously trying to break out of my typical. So
If we reach 50,000 subscribers, we'll do another paint slab. How's that sound?
yeah, when we hit 50,000 subscribers, we'll do a paint slab.
On the dog.
When we hit 100,000 subscribers, we'll have a fan come to the studio. How about that?
That sounds terrifying.
That
What
is
if-
terrifying, right?
No, I don't want to do that. What if they're like weird? I
Well,
don't want people to know where I
we're
live.
all weird.
Hey,
We're all
there's no
weird.
falling down in the studio.
I almost did wipe out, right?
Alright, Rio, approaching our 10-minute mark. Are we done for this one?
I think so. Did I save this one? You guys let me know.
I think it looks great.
Look, we went from this to this.
Yep. So,
I'm back.
check out the t-shirts.
Yeah,
Check
seriously, you guys, go check out the t-shirts. Get your t-shirt ordered, and I don't even know what I was gonna say.
They're limited edition, so they're going fast.
Yeah, they are
We're signing the
going fast.
first 50
I think we're signing the first 50.
that are sold. Check out our other channel. It's all about scuba diving, because scuba diving is awesome, and you should totally try it, because it's the best. If you guys need any sort of gear, hit up Weaver's Diving Travel. Tell them that we sent you. Please and thank you. Right, Rio?
Right.
Right? Okay, are we done here?
Yeah, I'm gonna just keep playing
Rio?
this until I'm happy.
Rio, I need an outro.
Oh, okay.
That looks really bad. Stop.
Does it?
Yeah, you ruined it. You just ruined the entire thing. Outro time. Come on. Rio outro. Rio.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell. Make sure you tune in to Instagram and Twitter for us,
Yes, do
because YouTube's really not sending out announcements that we're posting any videos. They're kind of not doing it for anybody. It's not just us. So please leave us comments. We get credit for comments. It helps us get promoted. And make sure you check out the second channel that we have, Wanna Go Diving. And I really can't think of anything else because I want to play in this paint a little bit more. So until next time, thanks for joining us in the studio. Ciao!
Yoga.
I need you to hit yourself with this.